Dear students, myself Anjali Saraswat, science teacher, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Agra, Kent, Agra. In the series of my expert advice videos, today I am here to bring a very valuable and most needed video by our Honorable Principal Sir, Shri Sudhakaran PV, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Agra, Kent, Agra, who would enlighten you all with his ways to bring about positive and healthy behavioral change to develop your perfect personality to achieve success in life. Links for videos on balanced diet and introduction of my channel are provided in the description box. Please do watch. So dear all, watch the video and don't forget to share and subscribe the channel to get more and more information for you all. Now, it's my pleasure to invite most respectable principal Shri Sudhakaran PV, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Agra, multidimensional and well-known figure in the field of education. Welcome on this platform. Over to sir.
Dear children, today I am here to talk to you about the importance of focus in our lives. You are all young boys and girls bubbling with energy and enthusiasm. I am sure there is no one who doesn't want to be successful in life. You all have something or the other in your mind as your goal in your life when you grow up. You want to become, some of you want to become doctors, some of you may want to become civil servants or engineers, some of you may even want to join the defense forces as officers and men. So everybody has got some aim or the other in life. But then, is it enough just to have an aim in life? While it's important to have an aim in life, it's equally important that we work for this aim, that we work towards achieving this aim. Now, to achieve this aim, what are the things that we need? First of all, we should set our mind, we should set our heart and soul towards achieving the aim that we have decided for ourselves. Once we decide, this is what I want to become, we must find the path towards achieving this success. All of you, I am sure, are intelligent boys and girls. God has gifted you with intelligence. Merely being intelligent does not assure you guaranteed success in life. You should know how to work for your success. Success comes when intelligence is accompanied by hard work. Similarly, time is important. You should know how to utilize your time to the best possible extent. Sometimes people just while away their time. They think, yes, this is something which I can do tomorrow. Such people postpone their work indefinitely, and ultimately they come to a situation where there is so much to study, where there is so much to do, but very limited time for doing those things. So children, utilize your time. Spend your time judiciously. You must find time to play with your friends. You must find time to spend with your family members. You must enjoy your childhood. But at the same time, you should also set apart some time every day for your studies and for enriching your mind, for enhancing your knowledge, for widening, for expanding the horizons of your mind. Choosing the right kind of friends is another important aspect that you should not forget. Do you know what is the difference between the most successful person in life and the least successful person in life? The only difference is that the successful person was able to set his priorities right. He was able to utilize his time properly. He was able to keep his mind focused on his goal. He was able to put in hard work in order to achieve his life's aim. Whereas the other man, the one who met with failure, he was unfortunately not able to set his priorities right. he got distracted by various things. His energy got diverted into different activities, and as a result, he was not able to focus on his goal. So, children, just to remind you once again, have an aim in your life, utilize your time effectively, work hard to achieve your success, have good friends, choose your friends judiciously, avoid bad company, and lastly, set your priorities right. You will certainly achieve success. Best of luck to you. Thank you.